Hello friends, welcome to Wealth Guru, and here I'm back again with another exciting video. Again another stock tip which is recommended by 5 Paisa, and I have done the research to ensure that it really meets your need in terms of the financial and other goals we have. So taking them into account, this is the stock tip which I'm going to recommend today. So and we'll go into the details of the technical as well as the fundamentals of the stock and find out if it really makes sense from our time and invest. So without making further delay, let's get started. NBCC, as uh, some of you know, like this is formerly known as National Buildings Construction Corporation, and it is a blue chip Indian government corporation. It is currently being managed or under the ownership of Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Government of India. The company is headquartered in New Delhi, so and it's one of the profit-making companies of Government of India. So that being said, let's look into the technicals, how it looks like and what is recommended by 5 Paisa. So as you can see, the stock has been in a range of maybe 40 to 50 for almost last 3 to 4 months. It even reached the levels of close to 60 sometime in June, but after that has gone down significantly, and now it's a level of almost 46 right now. And if you look at the what the trade setup looks like, it's suggesting that the stock has bounced back from its 200-day moving average and 21-day moving average in the past 2 days, and in trending with improved positive momentum. And also there is a increase in volume which is almost 300% compared to its usual volume. So there must be something on the stock, and it is definitely going to just break this range and go to a new territory. So the suggestion is to buy this stock in the range of 45 to 46.5 for a target price of close to 56, which is almost 22% up from here, and you can keep a stop loss of 42.5. So that is what is being recommended. But let's also look into what are the stock history, what has been the stock performance over the last maybe 4-5 years. So if you look at this, the stock even reached the levels of 140 150 sometime back in 2017, and after that it's gone down almost to a level of 25-26 during the pandemic, and now moved up to almost 50 these levels. And all this D indicates the dividend that this company has paid over the last few years. So it's, as you can see, it's a consistent dividend paying company, and it's been consistently paying dividend almost every year. So even if the stock doesn't perform great, it's also the dividend that can play a part here as well. So it's from a dividend perspective also, that's really good. Looking into the overall structure of the company or the market cap, it is as a market cap of close to 8,325 crores. The P of the trailing 12 months is 32.7, price to book ratio is 5.2, and dividend yield is almost 1.3%. So all look good, nothing wrong from a the ratios perspective. So it really looks all good. Now let's go into the SWOT analysis to find out what the strength, weakness, opportunities and threats are. Going into the strength first, the company has high trailing 12 months EPS growth. The bullish engulfing pattern is being shown here. The bullish reversal happening. Good quarterly growth in the recent results. That is also a great positive in the stock. Growth in quarterly net profit with increasing profit margin is happening. Company has no debt, so that's really good. And company doesn't have any promoter place. That's also awesome. Finally, the recent results show growth in operating profit with increase in operating margins. That's really also great. So all good. Let's go to the weaknesses. Not much, but one is mutual funds decreased their shareholdings last quarter. There's decline in net profit with falling profit margin quarter on quarter, and there's declining profits every quarter for the past 2 quarters. So few weaknesses, but not that significant considering the current situation of the market. Going into the opportunities, the highest recovery from 52-week low, the decrease in provisions in the recent results, and high volume high gain is also happening on the stock. In terms of threats, the degrowth in revenue, profits, and operating profit margin in the recent results, and increasing trend in non-core income. This is a concern though, with the non-core income is increasing. Moving ahead, this is how it's being suggested right now. The bullish moving average of 13 and bearish moving average is 3. So, and as you can see, the stock is above its 5-day, 10-day, 100-day, 200-day moving averages right now. It's close to 46 right now. So all good from a technical standpoint. And finally, if you look at the shareholding pattern, promoters hold almost a huge percentage of the stock, 60% or more by the promoters. Public hold almost 25 to 30%. So pretty good from a shareholding standpoint as well. All in all, so this is an amazing stock which has good fundamentals as well as great technicals at this point of time. So if you haven't bought it, this will be the right time to buy it. At least you can gain around 15 to 20% on this in the next maybe 15 days to 1 month. So just buy it, and if you anyway like this video, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to that channel because I get such videos almost every day. Thanks a lot for watching.